students, in this session or in this video, I will be discussing the exercises of English language. So kindly take out your English grammar books and open the very first chapter, nouns, proper, common and collective, and open page number 7. Now, we will be discussing the very first exercise given in page number 7, that is, pick out the nouns from the following sentences and point out whether they are proper or common. Students, I have already explained you the chapter before. Once again, I will tell you what are proper nouns, students. Proper nouns are the names given to a particular person, or you can also say a special name given to a person, place or thing. Whereas what is common noun? The name which we give in general or in common to all persons, places or things of the same kind. So here firstly you have to underline the nouns and then you have to write whether these are proper or common noun. First one is already done for you, but still I start with the first one and I will explain you also. So the first sentence is, the name of my brother is Varun. So what are the nouns over here? The very first noun is name, then brother and then Varun. So now students, name. As there are many teachers in your school and the word name, and they all are having different names. But the word name is a common word. So the word name is common noun over here. Again, brother. We all are having brothers. You all might be having brothers. But their names might be different. Their names must be different. So the word brother is a common word. Or you can also say it's a common noun. But when we are giving the particular name to the brother here, Varun, so it is a proper noun. Now I move on to the second sentence. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. So student, here Shah Jahan, it's a particular name or a special name of an emperor. Shah Jahan, so it's a proper noun. Then Taj Mahal is a noun, and there are many historical buildings, but here we are talking about the historical monument Taj Mahal. So it's a special name or a particular name we have given to the historical building, that is Taj Mahal, so it's a proper noun. Again, wife is a common word which we use for all the wives, so it's a common noun. And again, Mumtaz Mahal, it's a special name or a particular name given, so it's a proper noun. In this way, students, you have to find out the nouns from sentence number 3 to 10, and then you have to write whether these are proper, common noun. Now, open page number 9. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with nouns chosen from the given list. Here in the help box, few nouns are given, students, and in each sentence there's a blank space. You have to use the correct noun and you have to take the help from the help box. So first one, a bunch of keys. A bunch of keys. Second one, a flight of stairs. Third, a suit of clothes. A suit of clothes. Fourth, a gang of thieves. Fifth, a set of tools. A set of tools. Sixth, a herd of cows. While I was explaining the chapter, I told you that herd is a group of animals. So here it is a herd of cows, a group of cows. Seventh, a shoal of fish. A shoal of fish. Eighth, a fleet of ships. A fleet of ships. Ninth, a flock of sheep. A flock of sheep. 10th one, a pack of carts. A pack of carts. Now, Open page number 10, exercise C. Here what you have to do is, you have to complete the blanks by using suitable collective nouns from the list, from this help box. So students, when I was explaining, I told you what are collective nouns. These are the nouns which refer to a group or collection of persons, animals or things of the same kind. If it is a bunch of fruits, bananas, you will only see bananas in that bunch. That means same group. If there are many persons, then it is known as crowd of people. But there will be only human beings, a crowd of people. The shoal of fish. In the same way, library is a collection of books. That means group or collection of persons, animals or things of the same kind. So now in this exercise, students, you have to use the correct collective noun from the help box. So first one, Kalyan chose the smallest puppy of the. You have to take the help from the help box. Which word you will use? Litter as his pet. Second one, all the furniture the room had was a bed and a chest of drawers. Again, all the furniture the room had was a bed and a chest of drawers. Somebody had stolen the valuable rope of pearls. Fourth one, the dash of the sinking ship managed to save all the passengers. So, which word collective noun you will use? The crew of the sinking ship. The crew of the sinking ship. Fifth, the dash of witches met at midnight in the wood. The coven of witches. What you will write? The coven of witches met at midnight in the wood. Sixth one, the dash of actors were rehearsing a new play. The dash of actors. So which collective noun you are going to use? The troupe. The troupe of actors. 7. When they cut down the tree, they found a dash of snakes. So which collective noun you are going to use? Nest over here. Nest. Nest of snakes in it. 8th one. The magician showed us many tricks with a dash of cards. With a pack of cards. 9th, we saw a dash of elephants crossing the rivers. Herd of elephants. It will be herd of elephants. 10th one, the dash of robbers were hiding in the forest. Here you will write the band of robbers. The band of robbers. 11th one, the dash of soldiers crossed the bridge at night. The troop of soldiers. You will write the troop of soldiers. 12th, our school library has many interesting books. As you all know, library is a collection of books. So what you will write? Our school library has many interesting books. Now I move on to exercise D. Here what you all have to do is, students, you have to find out the nouns and then you have to write whether it is proper, common or collective. So I'll explain the first sentence and then you have to do with your own. The very first sentence, my mother bought a bunch of bananas from the market. So here what are the nouns over here, students? Mother, bunch and bananas and market. So mother, banana and market is a common noun, whereas bunch is a collective noun over here. Again I will repeat, mother, banana, bananas and market is a common noun over here, whereas bunch is a collective noun. So in this way you have to find out the nouns and then you have to complete the exercise and you have to write whether it is proper, common or collective. So students, now I will be sending you the pictures, the photo of these exercises. You will also have a look in that and please do it very correctly in the book. Thank you.